Welcome to another vocabulary boost. Today, we're diving into a wide range of useful English words that all start with the letter M, from everyday objects to powerful verbs and descriptive adjectives. Let's explore their meanings and see them in action. Mainland. The main part of a country or continent, not including islands. They live on an island but often travel to the mainland. Marsh. A low, wet area of land, often with tall grasses, usually near a lake or river. We saw many birds nesting in the marsh near the lake. Magpie. A noisy black and white bird. A magpie flew over the field. Mare. A female horse. The male is called a stallion or gelding, and the baby horse is called a foal. A young male is a colt, and a young female is a filly. The mare watched over their foal in the field. Marina. A place where boats are kept and supplied. Their yacht is docked at the local marina. Marine. Related to the sea. Marine life is diverse and beautiful. Moat. A deep, wide ditch around a castle, often filled with water. The castle was protected by a large moat. Monastery. A building where monks or nuns live and worship. Monk. A man who has withdrawn from the world for religious reasons, often living in a monastery. The monks live in a peaceful monastery in the mountains. Martyr. Someone who suffers or dies for a cause. He died a martyr for his beliefs. Monument. A building or statue built to honor a person or event. We visited a monument dedicated to the war heroes. Mine. A deep hole in the ground where minerals are dug out. The region is famous for its gold mines. Minefield. An area planted with explosive mines. Soldiers avoided the minefield during the operation. Mad. Angry or mentally ill, depending on context. She was mad at her brother for breaking her phone. They said he went mad after living alone for so many years. Majestic. Having beauty or dignity, grand and impressive. The majestic mountains were covered in snow. Man-made. Made by people, not natural. This lake is man-made, not natural. Massive. Very large or heavy. They built a massive wall around the city. There was a massive traffic jam on the highway. The building suffered massive damage during the storm. The concert attracted a massive crowd. He has a massive collection of comic books. Winning the award was a massive achievement for her. Medieval. Related to the Middle Ages. We visited a medieval castle during our trip. Medication. A substance used to treat or prevent illness or disease. Disease is a specific medical condition with a known cause, while illness is a general term for feeling unwell. You can have an illness without knowing the exact disease. He forgot to take his medication this morning. Missing. Not present or cannot be found. The child has been missing for 2 days. Misty, with mist or fog, not clear. It was a cold, misty morning. She got misty-eyed during the speech. Mysterious. Difficult to explain or understand. There was a mysterious light in the sky. Macaroni. Short, curved pasta commonly used in simple meals. I made some macaroni and cheese for dinner. Margarine. A butter substitute made from vegetable oils. She spread margarine on her toast. Mushroom. A soft fungus often used as food. I added mushrooms to the pasta. Mussel. A type of shellfish with a dark shell. We ordered steamed mussels as a starter. Mat. A piece of material placed on the floor or under something. Wipe your shoes on the mat before entering. Memo. A short written message, usually used in offices. I left a memo on your desk about the meeting. Mop. A tool used to clean floors. He used a mop to clean the kitchen floor. Mop up. To clean up spilled liquid. She mopped up the spilled milk quickly. Milk. To extract milk from a cow or other animal. They milk the cows early every morning. Mustard. A yellow condiment made from mustard seeds. He put mustard on his sandwich. Muffin. A small, sweet baked good, often eaten for breakfast. She bought a blueberry muffin at the cafe. Mahogany. A dark reddish-brown wood from a tropical tree. The desk is made of solid mahogany. Marble. A hard, shiny stone used in buildings and sculptures. The floor is made of white marble. Muscle. A body tissue that produces movement by contracting. She exercises daily to build muscle. Mustache. Hair that grows above a man's upper lip. He shaved his mustache before the interview. Miner. A person who works underground extracting minerals. The miner wore a helmet to protect his head. Migrate. A person who moves to another place for work or better living conditions. Many migrants walk long distances in harsh conditions. Muslim. A follower of the religion of Islam. She is a Muslim and observes Ramadan. Marrow. A soft substance inside bones or a type of vegetable. Bone marrow is vital for producing blood cells. Marrow. A large, long vegetable with green skin and white flesh, similar to a zucchini, often eaten cooked. We stuff the marrow with rice and vegetables before baking it. Bone marrow. The soft, fatty tissue inside bones, often used in cooking for its rich flavor. The roasted bone marrow was served with toast and sea salt. Mute. Unable to speak. The boy was born mute but learned to communicate with signs. Maintain. To keep something in good condition. They maintain the garden regularly. Maintenance. The act of keeping something in good condition by checking and fixing it regularly. The building is closed today for maintenance work. Marinate. To soak food in a flavored liquid before cooking. I marinate the chicken overnight for better taste. Memorize. To learn something so you can remember it exactly. She memorized the speech for the presentation. I had to memorize a speech for school. The verb memorize means to learn something so you can remember it exactly. A common expression for this is learn by heart, especially when talking about poems, speeches, or songs. Before the play, each student had to learn their lines by heart to make sure they didn't forget anything on stage. Merge. To combine or join together. The two companies merged last year. Monopoly. A situation where one company or person controls all or most of the market for a product or service. The company had a monopoly on electricity in the region. Mogul. A powerful or important person, especially in business or media. He became a real estate mogul in just a few years. Mourn. To feel or express grief after a loss. The family mourned the loss of their grandfather. Manpower. The workers available. The project needs more manpower. Marvel. Something amazing or to be amazed. The Eiffel Tower is a marvel of engineering. Mesmerize. To capture someone's full attention, as if by magic. The magician's tricks mesmerize the audience. Mince. To cut food, especially meat, into very small pieces. You need to mince the garlic before adding it to the sauce. Chop means to cut food into larger, rough pieces, usually with a knife. Mince means to cut food into very small, fine pieces. We often mince garlic or meat. Monkey wrench, a tool with an adjustable jaw used for turning nuts. He fixed the pipe with a monkey wrench. Thanks for watching. I hope these M words helped expand your vocabulary and made things a bit clearer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English word lessons. And check out the full playlist to keep learning from A to Z.